Okay, what I have here is a 4R70W and I also, or 4R75E, and I have the reverse drum. On the reverse drum is a sprag. This sprag comes up and out. Also, it's supposed to turn counterclockwise and lock clockwise. They call it a mechanical diode. Well, there's a spring that holds this in. It's a weak configuration. It eventually pops off like it did here. If you do see one that is on, take it off. There's a better fix for it. It's a spiral ring kit. Looks like this. Flat on the side, and it has a raised edges on this side, and this part fits down in there. So you put this down. You put this down on here, and then you take this spiral ring, which it looks like this, and you work it into the grooves where this ring used to be. So let's see, it goes like this. Oy. Okay, once you get that in there, then you have to pin this over. I'm going to probably lift this up a bit. Now 4 is good, but you can do more than 4, but the purpose for that is so that ring doesn't pop out. Okay, so that's in there. Now you can get this spiral ring kit from Sonics or Superior, and it takes the place of this one that comes apart and holds this in where it doesn't come back out. Okay, then you can just throw this away. Next, there is a direct drum that you need to pay attention to. The direct drum has grooves inside, and this part fits down in here. When you take this out and inspect it, what you need to see is whether or not this moves. It's not supposed to move like that. If you're looking for longevity, then you probably want to replace this drum with a new one. Some are worse than this. Eventually that's going to strip out. Okay, so what you want to do, get a new one. I would say replace them. If it got over 100,000 miles, replace them anyway. A new one, you put it in, and it's tight, as you can see, and then it doesn't move at all. Okay, so you want to pay attention to the teeth on this direct drum. So this is another one you want to replace. Now you will have to take the clutches out and the piston out and transfer them over into the new drum. Okay?